4:23 in the or 4:24 in the afternoon, and we'll take a look to see how long the RoboVac runs. Well, it stopped at about 4:31, so it ran for about 8 minutes, and now this thing is blinking. And I think it beeped about 9 times, but I'm not absolutely certain. But there it is. I don't know whether that's going to help you or not. If not, I'll have to do it again, but that's okay. I don't mind. I do this all the time. Oh, let me show you how it's going to start now. Even though it stopped, there were 9 beeps. And now you're going to see it's going to start again. Where's my clicker? Okay, here we go. Let's get it going. Well, this time it ran for about 12 minutes and stopped right here, beeped by 9 times. The light is beeping, and as we can see, I'll get it going again with the remote. 1, 2, 3. Remote seems to work just fine.